Okay, now we show you how to install the scale. After you open the package, you can find there is a bag, and inside the bag there is the solar panel and the user manual and the pedal. Then we can take the scale out. This is matte. Here is the certificate of calibration and quality. And here is the protective cover. We just press here and open it. Inside the box, there is the panel and cable to the power adapter, the battery, the installation screw of this cover. You can use the screw and install. After you install on the wall, and then you can hang the cover and panel on the wall. Now we will put the panel inside the cover. And now we take out this 4 feet. Screw them to the bottom of the scale until it is tight and closed. Now we will put the mat on the scale. The foot mat is washable. Just use the clean water and take paper, rub the surface. And it is not easy to move or fall. Now connect the cable to the panel. First we have to check if the 4 feet the scale are already even on the ground. After it is even, we connect the cable to the panel. When it is stable, and then we open this on/off button. The first press activates, the second press is to open. Wait until it is stable, and then we can click the tare. Okay, it is stable now. And then we can try to weigh this water. There is a lithium battery inside. So even if we don't use the outside power source, it can be opened. But now if you want to use the power adapter, we can use the cable to connect here. And then you can see this light is on. It shows that the power adapter, the outside power, is charging the lithium battery inside. After the battery is full of power, and then this light will be off. Now we will use this pedal to open or close the panel here. Open and off. Now we will connect the power, the solar panel. When it's not facing the sunlight, the light is off. When it's facing the sunlight, it's on. So it can prove that this is workable. Now we will introduce the function of these 6 buttons. First one, on/off, click 1 time. And then we can try to weigh this water. If we want to keep the weight of this water, we can click hold and then the panel will flash. Then we remove the person or water from the scale, it still maintains the original result. When we press it again, it will return to the initial value. Open again. When we click this CR button, we can change the mode from 300 kg to 150 kg, and the graduation will be different. You can see there is only 1 digital here. When I click this button, it comes to 150 kg and there are 2 digits. So when we weigh this water again, the result can be also 2 digits. Okay, we put the water on the scale and then we click the this button mode. The display will switch to different units like this. Now we will introduce the tare function. It is also called as the mother and child function. So, when we put this container on the scale, you can see the weight of the container and we press tare, then it can become 0 and then weight the water again. So we can get the only weight of the water instead of the water plus the container. Now we will show how to use this tail function as a baby mother function. This is our mother. She stands on the scale and then we get the weight of the mother. When it is stable, we press tare. And then this is the baby. Mother and baby are weighing together, and then we will get the weight of the baby. By the way, you can press hold to lock the baby's weight. In the off state, we press on OFF and mode at the same time to switch to the calibration function. Until there are 6 zeros here. And then we can remove the fingers. E and 100. It means it will calibrate the scale with a weight of 100 kg. You can click again, it can become 25, 10, 5. Now we will calibrate weight by using 5 liters of water. Now it shows good and power off. Then the calibration is finished. Let's open again and weigh the water. It will be 5 kg. First, we need to press on OFF button to turn off the panel and then take off this cable. Turn it over and open this box. Second, we remove the 4 feet. There is a hole here. They can fix the feet on the hole. Okay, and then we have put the panel here. This is the cable of the power adapter. Put it inside the box. Ensure all these things are inside the box. Close the box. Third, put the cable here and fix the cover here. There are 2 layers in the bag. Put the panel here and the paddle here. And the user menu. At last, we can put the scale with the foot mat together inside the bag. Thanks for your watching.